Alright, welcome back to the channel. We are out here today on a brand new 22-foot bay boat. Been trying to catch some fish the last couple weeks, getting this thing somewhat dialed in. Definitely not nearly as proficient fishing off the boat than I am the kayak, so we're still trying to figure things out and trying some new spots. So the game plan is this morning, go try to find some bait. They're out of fresh live shrimp. So that's been kind of hard to come by lately for whatever reason. But we're gonna see if we can get some mullet or whatever, and maybe pound some docks or hit the bridge, see if we can get something down there around the bridges in the New Smyrna area. So hopefully we have some good luck today. It's been kind of slow as of late, however. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned. All right, we're gonna beach it over here and hop out and see if we can get some bait. It doesn't look like we got a ton of bait, but there's some. Plenty of hermit crabs over here. No shortage of those. I'm not seeing much out here, unfortunately. We'll find something though. All right, we're gonna hop off quick. Just gonna pop in this Kimimoto shallow water anchor really fast. Just to hold the front end, and then we got the Minn Kota Raptor on the back. Well, we will chase some mullet. All right. Let's go see what we can get here. Come on. is that something right there? Or am I seeing things? Be good to me, be good to me. Alright, got some greenie action here. Not a ton, but we got something here. We will definitely take it. To get stuck right around their gills too, so it's oh man. Alright, let's see what we can get here. Maybe lucky. Alright, here we go. Huh. Crazy. Oh, there we go. There we go, baby. I'll take that all day. Let me stay in here. That's gonna get us a big shark later. Hopefully. Dude. Chill out. Okay, on the board. Sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. What's going on here? There you go. Little snapper. Get back to safety back in there, hopefully. Man, those things are... Oh, we got something on back here. Little catfish, huh? Alright, so I heard some folks use these for shark bait. Oh, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Look at her try nice. You two play nice in there. There we go. This feels pretty decent. Oh, it's a fat catfish. There we go. More good bait. I think they just want me to shark fish today. Come on, dude. Alright, we decided to shoot over to the jetty. And let's give this a try. Let's see what we can get into. I'm gonna get one of those pinfishes rigged up. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm gonna do that ladyfish instead. Shoot that thing down there. Right here. It's gonna be the lucky rig. There's gotta be something giant out here. Never fished out here before, off my boat. I've been out here a few other times and some other people's boats. But she looks flat calm out there, man. Besides when these boats go by. Alright, hopefully that thing's still kicking for me. Kinda, sorta. It kinda, sorta is. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be some good bait right there. We're gonna let that thing, oh. We're gonna let that thing drop down. Something will come suck him up, I hope. All right, we're fishing. We're shark fishing. They might get kind of big out here, I think. Woo. Don't fall in. Don't fall in now. Lower this down a bit. Spot lock, you work your magic. All right. All right. Where is... I'm gonna chuck a little jig down to the bottom. And we're rocking and a rolling. Something big down there. Come suck that in. Come on. There we go. That didn't take long. We got a little black margate, I believe is what this is. You're on the board out at the jetty. That's margate. Oh, come on. First two drops I got hits right away. Oh. Ah, dang it. That was my bad. There we go. There we go. What do we got here? Pin? Or another one, another margate. Nice. There we go. This feels a little bit better. All right, my battery just died right as I was reeling in that last fish. It was another black margate. There's
Seems to be plenty of those around here. So we're just gonna keep on catching them. I gotta kind of filter through these shrimp. Are kind of awful. They were out of live shrimp at the bait shop. Oh. All right. Good opportunity for a little heavier jig, which I don't know how good that's gonna work because I don't have really don't have the shrimp for it. Alright, well, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Got some small bait, tried that for a bit, got a few things on the dock. Missed a handful at the dock as well, then headed out to the jetty. Got a bunch of black margate, so that was kind of cool. Getting out offshore on the backside of the jetty there, so that was interesting, getting through the inlet, but that wasn't too bad. And then my Ethernet cable on my Tarova trolling motor, when it was on spot lock, it kept twisting around and ended up breaking those cables. So I don't know what the deal is. I got it spot locked right now and it's still working, so always something with boats, that is for sure. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I plan to get back out here a lot and get things figured out and hopefully catch some more fish. So I did drop a ladyfish and a pinfish down there for see if I can get something bigger, but no takers yet. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll try it again. I'll see you on the next one.